Lotions versus skincare creams. There is no dearth of skincare creams and lotions in the market. Name an ailment, and you will find hundreds of skincare creams, lotions, and other products for it. As a result of ongoing research and due to ever-increasing demand, the number of skincare products seems to be on the increase. Skincare lotions and skincare creams are the most popular forms in which these products are available, and there always seems to be a debate on which form is better. Well, there is no definitive answer to this. It seems more like a matter of personal choice. However, greasy creams are surely less popular as compared to the non-greasy, or less greasy, ones. Since the application of skincare creams is easier, they seem to be preferred over lotions in cases where the skincare product is not to be removed immediately after application. So, skincare creams seem more popular as moisturizers than as cleansers or toners. For toners, lotions seem to be preferred over skincare creams. There are some skincare creams that act as toners too, but generally the toners are available in liquid form only. For cleansing, lotions and skincare creams are equally popular. However, the tilt seems more towards lotions. Creams are known to be most effective in keeping skin moist, hence, the most popular form of skincare creams is moisturizers. Due to the same reason, a lot of people tend to associate skincare creams with dry and sensitive skin. Though it is true to a certain extent, skincare creams are not used only for dry skin, they are also used for making products for oily skin, e.g. vitamin A creams and sulfur creams that help reduce the rate of sebum production. Skincare creams are also used for products that cater to skin disorders, especially for disorders that require the application of product over a small localized area. This is again due to the fact that skincare creams are easier to apply, without wastage, on the affected area. However, in cases where skin needs to be washed using a medicine or product, lotion is a better choice. Mostly, the manufacturers too realize this fact, making it easier for you to choose between a lotion and a skincare cream. Eye creams and anti-aging creams are other examples where skincare cream is preferred over its lotion counterpart. Whatever your choice be, cream or lotion, knowing how to use it effectively is more important than anything else.